Hi guys, welcome back to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this glam makeup look for beginners, but it is very easy and simple to create. So if you want to know how I created this easy glam makeup look for beginners, then please do continue watching. Gel eyeliner and using the applicator that comes along with the packaging to apply the gel eyeliner all over the eyelids until the crease of my eyes as a base. Make sure to work one eye at a time because the gel eyeliner can set. Once you're done with the application, take a pencil brush and just smudge the edges of the black gel eyeliner on the crease to make it look more softer. Then I'm going to take my bronzer. This is the Contour de Force mini bronzer in the shade Caramel Captain, and just run that through the crease using a blending brush, and that is just going to make sure that there is a smooth transition between the darker shade and the lighter shade. Now to prep my face, I'm using the Grand Finale Setting Mist in the matte variant, which will hold your makeup in place for very long hours. For foundation, I'm using the Rage for Coverage Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Americano and applying that all over the face for that glam effect on the face. To highlight and conceal, I'm taking my Magic Wand concealer in the shade Corn Panna and applying that on the under eyes as well as on the center of my face and blending it out using a concealer blending brush in gentle dabbing motion. I'm using the Own the Light liquid highlighter in a bronzy shade which suits my complexion so well and blending it out using my ring finger. To bake my under eyes, I'm using the Set the Tone loose powder in the shade Chococcino, which is such a beautiful silky loose powder, and letting it bake for a while I finish my eye makeup. So I've applied the same gel eyeliner to my lower waterline and lower lash line and using the same pencil brush to smoke out the edges on my lower lash line. Once that is done, I'm just going to brush off all of the loose powder and set the rest of the face as well using the same powder. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm using the Lash of Titans volumizing mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes. I'm using the same Contour de Force Caramel Captain bronzer to chisel and define my facial features. To finish off the look, I'm using the Time to Shine lip gloss in the shade Teaker Bell, which is such a pretty glossy brown nude color, and just applying that all over the lips and locking my entire makeup in place using the Grand Finale Setting Mist in the matte variant again. And here is the final finished look.